my diamonds cold, then my golden clothes. Walking in it's a show, walking in it's a show. Flashlight, ooh, flashlight, ooh, flashlight, ooh, yeah.
So I found these nails from Target called Impress by Kiss. They're a size medium, and apparently they're just a stick and go type of thing. I have this nail glue that I purchased on Amazon, but you'll see later in the video that I actually won't be using the nail glue, and I just bought my own files because if you know, the ones that come in the kit are just extremely small and we hate those. These are how my nails are looking before I even get started. And I'm not sure what this next tool is called, but I'm gonna use it to scrape all the dirt and whatever else is underneath my nails just to kind of clean it up a little bit. Now that they're clean, I'm gonna go ahead and open up my file, and I'm just gonna start filing down my fingernails. I honestly, to be perfectly honest, I could have just clipped them, but for whatever reason, I wanted to file it. So that's what I'm doing here. If you want to be faster, definitely just clip your fingernails. In my opinion, the most important part when using press-ons is to make sure that you do not forget this part. I will be filing down my nail to get all the oil off of my nail so the sticker or the nail glue has something to stick on when you are applying your false nail onto your real nail. A lot of people don't like press-ons because they miss this step, or they simply just don't take the time to make sure that their real nail is as dry and as possible, all the oil is gone, and etc., etc. This step is optional, but I was doing my nails and it was like, I'm not sure what this part of my nail is called, but it was sticking up and I just didn't like it. I didn't do it to every nail, but I did cut off the extra parts that were all flappy and just looked nasty. So here is what comes inside the kit. They have a stick, which I'll be using, and a cotton wipe. Again, making sure that your nail is dry as possible and getting all of the oil out of your nail is what is going to make it stick. So I've never used this before and this is going to be my first time. So I definitely read those instructions to see how I'm supposed to use this. And yeah, so we're going to go this together. Okay, y'all, so as I was reading these instructions, I'm not sure. Somebody who's used this Impress Kiss nails, please let me know because I was a little bit confused. So I saw that there was numbers on the picture. I'm not sure. I mean, you could see it there. There's numbers, and I'm assuming that the numbers on the back of here, I'm going to show you right here. So I'm assuming the numbers on the back of here, they were trying to tell you to put those numbers on your nail. But I don't know. I didn't do that just for the simple fact that everybody's nail is different. So this is how it looks. So you get the nail and it has the sticker on the back. Obviously, you want to measure it onto your thumb, your finger, your pinky, whatever finger that you want to start off with. Peel the sticker off and just plop it on there. So when I was first doing press-ons, I had no idea that they had numbers on top of the nail part, and you can just match those nails with your other hand so you have the same nail on each hand. So that's a fun fact. So if nobody ever knew that, like myself, then there you go. Make sure you do that. Now that I had got this first thumb on, I'm going to put the rest of them on there. So it did feel sturdy. Again, I'm not used to it, but it is a quicker process if you don't want to have a longer routine when just putting on your press-ons. It's honestly just a peel, stick, and go situation, which I kind of like. So as I was doing this, I was finding the other nail and putting it on the side. So you can see on the other side, that's my pinky, my middle, my ring, etc., etc. So I was matching it as I go. So when I get to the other hand, I could just peel those stickers off and do it way faster. All in all, the whole process took me about, I want to say 20 minutes to do. I really liked it. I like how it has the designs on there. And from the looks of it, if I want to just peel them off and get rid of them, I can without it damaging my real nail, which is something that I really am focused on when it comes to what I'm putting on my body and in my body. Don't get me wrong, I love my acrylic nails. I just personally don't have the time to get my nails done in the nail salon as often as I would like. And we all know these prices nowadays are no joke. We already paying $70 to $100 for our toes. So I'm gonna cut the cost any way that I can. But these are how my nails turned out. I'm definitely going to do more of this. This is like a self-care Sunday thing for me. So be sure to look out for more videos like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
I don't wanna be your side.